Hi, first grade. So we are going to go over counting numerals today. So if you look at these group of hearts, it's going to take a longer time for you to count each of them individually. So we want to make groups of 10. So I'm going to use my scribble tool and I'm going to make a group of 10. So we have one group of 10 right here. If you counted up the hearts, we have another group of 10 right here. If you counted up the hearts, so I'm going to label that. We have 10 right here. We have 10 right here. And then we're going to count up these leftover hearts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 leftover hearts. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 5. And 10 plus 10 plus 5 equals 25. So we have 25 hearts in all. So it's easier to group them with their numerals by 10 so that you don't have to count them all individually. All right, let's try our next one. So we're using stars. So we're going to use our scribble tool again to make our groups of 10. So this is a group of 10. And this is a group of 10. And then as you can see, we have 2 left over down here. So I'm going to write 2, 10, and 10. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 2, or 10, 20, and then 2 more. So that is, we have 22 stars in this picture. All right, let's do another one. So I want you guys to do this one. So either you can look at my screen and circle it with your finger, or you can draw these out and pause the video. But I want you guys to do these 2 by yourself, and then we're going to go over it. So I'm going to make groups of 10 here. So we're going to do, this is one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, and then we're going to count how many are left over right here. So we have 10, 10, 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 hearts down there. So we're going to write 7. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30, and 30 plus 7 equals 37. So there are 37 hearts right there when you count them. All right, let's do another one with the stars. So we have one group of 10 right here. We have another group of 10 right here. And then we have, so I'm going to label those 10, 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 stars down here that we're not going to group. So we have 10 plus 10, which equals 20, and 20 plus 6 equals 26. So we have 26 stars in all on that one. All right, I hope you guys got that one correct. If not, don't worry, just fix it. And for our last one, we are going to group this one. So I want you guys to do this one with me also. So you can pause the video, do it by yourself first, and then go ahead and unpause the video so you can see how to do it. So first, we're going to group these by 10. So we have one group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10, 5 groups of 10, and then we have 4 left over down there. So I'm going to label that. So that one says 4. So we have groups of 10 right here. Okay, it would let me, there we go. We have 10. I'm going to copy and paste this. Or not. So we have 10, 10. Move that one up a little so it's in line. And then we have 10 and 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 5 groups of 10, which is 50. And then we have 4 ones left over. So we have 54 dots in all in this problem. So if you need to pause the video to write this out, go ahead. You can also draw out more objects. You can use squares, triangles, and you can just make groups of 10 and then do a couple more, and you can use your groups of 10s or 5s to be able to count how many there are in all. But I just don't want you guys to count them all individually because it just takes way longer and it's a lot easier to group them by 10s or 5s. All right, guys, I hope that helped by counting numerals. See you later. Bye.